Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am the countryside jewel, guys, and I'm in Kenya, Africa, in the village, in a place called Embu County, and I do village lifestyle. As you can see from the background, I'm in the village. And guys, thank you for stopping by, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and after watching my videos, like them, and you can comment. If you are new in my channel, welcome to my channel, guys. I do village lifestyle in the village in Embu County, and today it's very hot. We are just managing a hot sun. It's very hot, and as you know, guys, in a process of transforming my home here in the village. And guys, the containers that I paint where I've planted my snake plant, you can see how they have turned out. They look very good. And the other one is over there, you see, guys. And for me, I think they look good in front of the house, like in the entrance. That's how they look. The paint has already dried up, and they look very good. Like you can see, guys, it's very hot. It's very hot in the village. We are just managing, but it's okay. And guys, I have a tank, and it's in the backyard. For those who can remember, I gave the day I was giving the tour of my home, that tank, I think it is misplaced, and it has water inside, and I've not been using the water. I think the water now it's not good. Those are my thoughts, and I want to take the water from that tank so I can know how I will do with the tank and position it in a place where I think it will look a bit presentable. You see how hot it looks like, and the flowers I planted there have turned out so good. They look very good. And the tank has a... Let me check how the water looks like, but I'm not going to throw the water. I'm going to use it around the home, like watering the flowers and the crops, or I'm going to know what I'm going to use the water for. I can't throw water. I'm very scared. You see, the water is there. I think it's halfway, and the tank is very dirty. I think it needs some washing. That's how the tank looks like. I'm going to use the water. I can use it to water the flowers, or I'm going to pour it on this ground because the soil is a bit loose, so that I can make sure the place looks good and the soil is tight. You see my kajiko there, I cooked githeri the other day. I don't know the criteria I'm going to use to take the water outside this tank. Oh, I think I'm going to use a pipe. Let me close the tank. want to position the tank. You know, right now it's near these banana plantations around here, and no snakes in the village can hide anywhere. And for me, I like to put a pipe just in the bottom, a tap, not a pipe, a tap, so that we can be using the water in the backyard. And I'll be using a pipe to fill in the tank with water, and we'll be using it here like washing and everything in the bucket. For now it is misplaced, it's just anywhere which is not good, and I want the area to look presentable. And in the village, people have started harvesting the maize and everything that was in the farm, and they are preparing the farms for the next season. You know, the rains will start raining in around March, at the end of March. So people have started preparing the farms for farming again. And my farm, guys, as you know, my farm is so has a lot of weeds. You remember, guys, I told you when I first relocated, I had I had no clue of how people live in the village. So I gave someone some work to do for me in the farm, and they did not do the work according to my expectation. They just did their things and they disappeared. So the farm looks very, very, very bad. It has a lot of weeds. And guys, you can see my two spinach. They are doing very well. And let me show you guys how the potatoes that I planted. You know, I told you guys, in this area, potatoes do very, very well. For the people who have planted the potatoes, they are doing very well. And I planted a little to check, to have a taste and check if they are going to do well. And let me show you guys how they are doing. For me, they are doing very, very fine. And from the look of things, they can do well around here. And you can see, guys, those are the potatoes that I planted just the other day, and they are looking very, very healthy and good. No, I planted them just the other day, and they have grown so fast than any other crop that I planted. They have grown very, very fast, and I also do my efforts of watering them. No, they are pruned so fast. Even you can see I planted the same day with the spring onions around this area, and they are doing very well, even than the spring onions. That means if I'm serious, I can grow the potatoes and they are going to give me a good harvest. That's how they are looking like, and I'm impressed. I'm carrying this bucket. Want to go and remove some maize which are in the farm. You know, after relocating, I just did my things. I planted a few maize, and they have been doing good, and they are ready. And the cowpeas and the beans, I've already harvested the beans, and they were so sweet. I tasted them. So I have the cowpeas. These are the cowpeas, and they have already dried up. So I'm harvesting them here in Kenya. We just uproot them like that. That's how we harvest them. So I want to uproot. They are not so a lot, so I want to uproot them and then harvest this maize. all of them, because I also want to prepare this kafam so I can turn it into a kitchen garden. I want to turn all of this kafam into a kitchen garden, because now I've made my decisions on what I want on the farm. Guys, the farm is very weed. It has a lot of weeds. The one who did for me the weeding did not do it well, so the farm has a lot of weed. I don't know even how I'm going to harvest the maize and the cowpeas. Like in that area there are certain cowpeas, and as you can see, the place is so has a lot of weeds. Don't know. And in this area inside the farm there is the avocado tree, the hash type. It has some avocados right there. Just going to uproot them. And the weeds in this farm, they are discouraging me from working. And the weeds and the thorns, they are a lot. Now my shoes are filled with thorns. The thorns are hurting my leg. And guys, it feels very discouraging when you give someone work to do and this is what they do. You know, by the time I came to realize that they did not do the work well, it was too late. And the weeds had started growing. And there's nothing I could do about it. And that's why most of the time you see me doing the work on the farm and in the compound on my own, because I felt very discouraged. And now I have to remove all the weeds, or I'll look for someone to do it for me. A lot of thorns. And I also planted some cowpeas in my hill there, the soil that was dug from the septic tank. And the thorns are a lot. Let me remove the ones in my hill. No, it's like a hill. And the blackjack today, they are going to show me that. I'm going to eat it. I think these are the sugar cane which fall after we eat and planted itself there. take this one. I was placing the in this area. It is filled with a lot of weeds. I even don't know how I'm going to harvest the cowpeas in that area because there are a lot of weeds there. The blackjack and the thorns, they are all over. And this cowpeas has done so well. I think I have harvested a lot compared to the bean. Have done so well. Guys, in this area there are a lot of weeds. Just going to harvest them. Just like that. In the village, nice. Even clear the weeds. I know my glory is going to shrink like that. And guys, my clothes are filled with the black dirt because the place had a lot of weeds. You see guys all around. That is the disadvantage of having someone doing work for yourself and they don't want to do it with a good heart. That's why I'm always discouraged to give someone work and they'll not do it well. I've seen some topics that have been left here. They've harvested a lot. For me, it's a good start. Love this. Love this. For me, they are a lot. It's a good harvest for a start. For someone who just relocated and started farming, it's good harvest. And I'm proud of myself. I'm going to store them here. Please store them there. And I'll thrash them in another day. I want to harvest the maize and it is still hot. And I've harvested two of them. And that's my daughter. She is helping me in the farm. Say hi.
Hi.
Subscribe.
Like, and comment.
And it's on a weekend, so she is helping me. And she is also my the videographer for today. I'm putting the maize in this bucket. Today I'm not going to move the plant. I'm just going to harvest the maize. For me it's a good harvest because I just planted them just the other day and I found when people had already planted, so I was late. But you can see at least guys I'm harvesting something. So for me, I think I've done a good job. so small. Today I'm going to suffer, guys. The thorns in this area and the weeds. Going to suffer. Then I never knew that I'm going to harvest such an amount. You can see that, like, the bucket is almost full. I have some firewood which we sliced this tree here because it was bringing some shade in the farm. So we removed some branches so that the farm can be productive. There are these two mangoes which have harvested in this tree. I want them to right inside the house. There is also this tree which has another type of the mango. And there is one in the tree which has been eaten by the bird. This is what I was talking about. You see, this one has been wasted by the, I don't know which is this. It's wasted, so I can't. And guys, look how I look, and the blood just filled in my dress. But because I've harvested, there's no problem. I'm going to remove all of them, or I'll have to remove the dress because it is filled with the blood here, and I can't sit with it. This is the second bucket of maize, and I've also harvested these 6 mangoes. These are different species from these ones. That's my baby. She is carrying the second bucket of the maize that we have harvested, and she likes helping me. And because I'm tired, I let her help me. You see guys, I've harvested a lot. And like these ones, I can't eat them in one round. They are a lot. And those are the cowpeas. I've just placed them there for now before I do the thrashing on the cowpeas. And this maize, we are going to roast them and also eat them with githeri. Thank you guys for watching, and kindly, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like my videos after watching them, and you share, and if you like to comment, you can comment. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye guys.